Video basically shows how you can download your videos from Facebook. If you are using Android, this video is for you. If you are using iPhone, then you have to wait. I will do later videos for iPhone and other devices. So Android users, you go tap Facebook as it's opened. You can scroll to the exact video. You can scroll to the exact video you want to download. So assuming I want to download this Burna Boy's video, let me stop. Assuming this Burna Boy's video is what I want to download, from the right top here, right top corner here, you go see 3 dots. On top of that same video, you go tap them. Now from that shortcut menu, you go see copy link, so you go tap on that copy link. Now that the link is copied, you can either close or minimize it. So I go minimize the Facebook app, then search for Chrome on my phone. If I don't have it, then it means I have to download it from my Play Store. Already I have it, so I will open Chrome from my desktop. This is Chrome, so I have to paste the link into the URL area of the Chrome. So I go long press and release. You go see paste, then you tap on it. The link is now pasted here. You go tap enter from your keyboard. You wait for the link to load. So you see your video is being loaded in Chrome for you. Now you go press to see if that is the exact video. Okay, that is the exact video. You play to see. Now whilst playing, you can long press on the video, then you will see the option to download the video. You go press on download video. On top you go see the video is being downloaded. I can press details to see the download progress. Now from here you can see that the video is being downloaded onto my phone. Now I can play to see if it is downloaded. So now you see
in the house.
I have the video
to the show, my
on
friend.
my phone storage and not on Facebook again. Thank you for watching.